Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make almond flour chocolate muffins from Simple Meals chocolate muffin mix. This is absolutely amazing product I have ever tried. It is gluten free, dairy free, paleo friendly, plant based dessert recipe. When you want some healthy dessert instantly without much effort at home, this is the best option you can have in your kitchen. Just for your information, this video is not a sponsored or promotional video. I'm sharing this recipe for those who are on a special diet and still can enjoy a good dessert. If we talk about ingredients, it has very minimal ingredients which is also organic. Best thing, it doesn't have white processed sugar. It contains almond flour, organic coconut sugar, cocoa powder, arrowroot, organic coconut flour, baking soda and sea salt. It is gluten-free, corn-free, paleo-friendly, plant-based, which are just wow. Here it is mentioned what all you need, like eggs, oil, water, vanilla. So you can read out all the instruction in the packet. Before we start, preheat oven at 325 degree Fahrenheit. So let's start. I am going to use half mixture and put all the ingredients accordingly. I am using 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon olive oil, little water and blend it very well for a minute. And here I am taking muffin tray and baking paper cups and pouring all mixture little to each cup. Put the tray in oven for 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, I am taking out tray and will check if it is baked properly. Here is our chocolate muffins are ready. Look how beautifully it turned out. See its texture, so fluffy. Put some frosting on top of it and enjoy. It is super fast and easy dessert recipe. I hope you will try and love them too. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you. Take care. Bye.